Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I give you some tips and tricks that how to choose a correct foundation. When you go to the shop and there are so many foundation there, in fair color, in aubrey color, or other colors like beige color, dark shades and some fair shade, and you little bit puzzle to choose the one shade which is right for your face and correct match to your face. You just have to follow these simple tips that today I give to you. So, first thing, if you choose a wrong foundation color, then it's look like you wear a mask. So, you have to do is take some foundation and apply on your face, just blend it, then see the result. If your face match with your neck, it means that you choose a right color. Okay, and you just keep in mind that your color match with your lower jawline. The right shade blend in your skin and not visible, look like a natural color. So the next question is, which shade is right for us? You just have to see your vein on your breast. If the color is pink, it means that you have to buy a cool shade like fair or aubrey color or natural color which suits normally all skin types. If your vein color is blue, it means you need a neutral shade. If your vein color is green, then it's best pair with warm tone. So these are some tips which you use and apply and keep in mind before buying any foundation, so you get a good foundation. See you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.